Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to quickly and easily send links in your text messages with DialMyCalls. To get started, sign into your DialMyCalls account and you will be taken to your dashboard. Now you will want to click on Broadcasts and then New Broadcasts. Select the text message broadcast type and then click on Next. It's now time to select the contact or contacts that you want to send your text message to. Once you've selected your contacts, click on Next. From the drop-down menu, select your verified vanity number to send your text messages from. Now go down to the text message dialog box and type out your message with the full link you want to send out. DialMyCalls offers a free URL shortening service that is built directly into our text messaging platform. Directly under the dialog box, you will see URL link shortener. Click on that to automatically shorten the link you've added into your text message. Once the link has been shortened, go ahead and click on Next to continue. Type out a name for your broadcast. This is strictly for your records. Once you've named your broadcast, click on Next. Review the text message you are about to send out, and if everything looks good, click on Confirm and Send, and then click on Yes. That's it. You have now just sent out a text broadcast that included a link using DialMyCalls' text messaging service with our free URL shortener. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.